Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Emoji Book Finder app tutorial using Thunkable. We are ready to code our buttons on our screen 1 to link to screens 2, screen 3, and screen 4. So hopefully you had a chance to look around in this section right here on the Thunkable website. So make sure that you are on screen 1 and then click on blocks. This is where we do a little bit of coding. So we want to start with button 1, and what we want to tell button 1 to do is open another screen. So when I click on button 1 over here, I have lots of different options of things that I want button 1 to do. The very top one says when button 1 is clicked, do something. So we want to control what that button does. So let's find the control section next. So when button 1 is clicked, we want to control it by opening another screen. So we need to scroll through here until we find what we want. And here it is right here, open another screen, and then screen name is blank right now. It looks like something needs to fit in there. So we have to find a text box. It's the pink section, text, and all the way at the top is a blank text box. So we're going to pick that up and drag it over. We're going to thunk it right in there. And what's going to go inside this box? What do you think? All right, what did you think was going to go in here? If you said screen 2, you were correct, because when button 1 is clicked, we want screen 2 to open. Now you have to type this in exactly the way that you called the screen, which is with a capital S and no space between the N and the 2. So when button 1 is clicked, we want to open screen 2. Now look what I can do. I can duplicate this so that we can change button 1 to button 2. Now, when button 2 is clicked, we want it to open screen 3. And I can duplicate again. When button 3 is clicked, it's going to open what? It is going to open screen 4. Good. All right. So now that is all coded so that if you were going to test your app, which we will do in just a second, you would be able to click here and it would open screen 2. Now, if that actually happened, if we went to screen 2, we'd be stuck there unless we code this back button. So again, we're going to go into blocks, and this time it is button 1 on this screen. When this button is clicked, we want to control it by opening another screen with the screen name, again, text box here, with a screen name of, this is going back home, so this one will be screen 1, right? And I'm actually going to drag this over to my backpack over here. That puts it in my backpack. So now I can go to screen 3 and pull it out of my backpack. And it's the same code. When that button is clicked, when the back button is clicked on screen 3, we're going to go back to screen 1. And we can go to screen 4 and do that same thing. All right, so now all of the coding should be done for all 4 of our screens. And I'm going to show you how to test the app now. So when you are ready, you have a mobile device in front of you and you have the Thunkable app installed on that device. You'll open that up and then click here, Thunkable Live. When you click there, you'll get a QR code. You can use the app to scan this QR code and then give it a good 4 or 5 seconds to load, and then you'll be able to test out your app. So the first thing you want to do is test out all of your buttons, make sure that they go to the right places, and then if you want to make any changes, you can do so and you will see it on the tablet as you're working. And so you can make changes and see how that goes. All right, we're going to go over finishing touches in the last video, so I will see you there.